Hello, my name is Mike Ohinifa. I'm co-founder of Lead Africa International and an empowerment specialist. Today in this podcast, we are going to talk about how to set and achieve your 2023 goals. So the beginning of the year affords all of us an opportunity to recalibrate our life, an opportunity to reset and to achieve and to dream and to fulfill our aspirations. So how do you do that effectively? We have a 4-part system for helping you to do just that. So in setting your goals for 2023, don't just rush into it. First, you need to look at outcome. That's number one. Now, ask yourself, what outcome do I want from 2023? By 31st December 2023, what would I wish to have done with my life? By 31st December 2023, what would I have achieved in the major domains of my life? Now, I want you to imagine this vividly, clearly, and write it down. What is the outcome you want for 2023? What do you want 2023 to do for you? Write it very clearly on a notepad or a piece of written material somewhere. And then number 2 is you conduct a review of 2022. You see, the mistake most of us make is that when a new year arrives, we just rush into setting resolutions and then just planning for the new year without looking back at how we lived our lives, what we achieved, what we did not achieve for the preceding year. And so I want you to do a review for 2023. And I have a very simple process for helping you to do that. Number 1, wins. So ask yourself, what did I win in 2022? What did I achieve in 2022? How did I achieve it? What did I do with my life? So sit back, reflect, and then look at all your achievements, your wins, your successes, and the impact that you made in 2022. It will help you to learn in order to be better for 2023. Then look at losses. What did you lose in 2023? What did you fail to achieve in 2023? What is it that you so badly wanted but you could not have? Now list all of this and ask yourself, so what am I learning? How is this helping me to become a better person in 2023? And then finally, lessons. What did you learn from all that happened to you in 2022? You see, everything that happens to you in life is a curriculum. They are meant to make you better. They are meant to teach you something. And so if you can sit back and reflect on all that happened to you and the lessons that you deduce from it, it will help to make your 2023 a much better year for you. So this is my simple framework, WLL, wins, losses, and lessons. And if you can use that to do a review of your life in 2022, then you can use that to pivot in 2023. The third framework is priorities. Now, you are ready to jump into 2023, but what are your priorities? What is most important to you in 2023? What do you want to achieve in 2023? You see, we tend to dissipate our resources, our efforts, and our time on a number of projects, a number of initiatives, and a number of commitments. This is why a lot of us are burnt out. This is why a lot of us are stressed. So focus on 1, 2, 3 things for 2023. Let that consume you, and then tackle these priorities with all your money, with all your time, and with all your resources, so that you'll be a happy person at the end of 2023. And then finally, you develop an action plan. You develop an action plan. How are you going to achieve your 2023 goals? You need to be clear on exactly what you are going to do to be able to achieve it. You cannot jump into success. The ladder of success has to be climbed one step at a time. In subsequent podcasts, I will be taking each of these 4 pillars and walk you through step by step how to use this to set your 2023 goals so that 2023 will be one of the best years of your life. If you feel blessed by these podcasts, then I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Even tell your enemies so that they will behave better next time.